Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video will be a gourmet salad. It will be simple and nice but real gourmet in the way I plate it and design it. Don't forget to subscribe and like next video when I upload. Thank you. So right here to start our video, first thing to start our gourmet salad. So right here to start our first task, we have our lettuce. We will be cutting it. Well, this is the pack I'm using. The lettuce leaf looks so wonderful. You know the type of lettuce. It looks so wonderful to do a video, so I said I will be using it instead. And you can see the edge has purple and has green. It's a nice type of lettuce. And as you can see, all our ingredients that we'll be using in our salad to make it more gourmet. So first thing, wash your lettuce. Make sure you wash your lettuce. And we'll just be taking a couple of leaves off to start. Depends on how much you're doing, but to make this the salad look wonderful, you could use a good amount. Just pick them off nicely. They're nice and fresh. Just pick them off. Make sure you wash it because you don't know where they've been through. Just pick a couple of leaves off, nice and fresh lettuce, and that's enough. So right here we'll be cutting them individually, not individually, but to make it faster, we're cutting a few at a time. And make sure you have a bowl to put it in. So when you're cutting your lettuce, you don't want too much of a big size, nice and medium when you chew in. So right here we have our lettuce. You just pile them up, to go quicker. You don't have to waste time. Just as I said, not too big of a cut, like a medium-sized cut. For it's chewable, not too small. You don't want to get too much into the stem. Oh, you see, it's looking wonderful already. I say repeat the same process. Pile a few, to speed up the process, and not too small of a cut. Nice sizes. Not nice size, but medium sizes. And repeat the same process. So right here we have the lettuce that has the purple end. They look wonderful. I'll be using a few to make the salad look more wonderful and more gourmet. So right here, that's the same medium sizes, not too big, not too small, but medium sizes. So it could be chewable. You can see. And then wonderful already. So we will be moving to our next step. So right here we have some strawberries, fresh strawberries. We'll be using a few for the video, not too much, to make the plate look more wonderful. So right here, just clean out the tip. Make sure you wash your strawberries also. So you just take off the tip. Just a nice simple size. Just making circles, nothing much. Not too thin, not too thick. Nice sizes, not too small, not too big either. Let's cut down. Make sure you use your claw. You can see the sizes, not too big, but nice and simple. Could put one more in to finish off, by sixing it. Make sure you clean out this tip on top. And then right here, just nice and simple. So that's enough. And right here we have some cherry tomatoes. Nice and simple. We'll be cutting them in half. Make sure you cut it in half. To finish out the plating. Make sure you cut them in half. You could just, not too much, but a few. And that's good enough. So after, as you can see right here, our cherry tomatoes, not much, but a few to enhance as garnish also too. And right here we have our carrot already peeled. We'll just be shredding some, to give some more color also, to give some nice type of garnish. This an angle. That's good enough. You don't need much, just a few. And that's good enough. And right here we have a small tangerine also to give nice flavor. You just peel this one nicely. Take your time. Take your time and peel it all around. Make sure you clean, take off any excess you need to. And these could just, as you can see, they're small oranges, but they are tangerine. You need to separate them. You don't want to leave them whole. You just separate them. Just separate them. That's a nice garnish also. Make sure you clean it off. Take off any excess off of it. You just clean it. Nice. Right here. So right here we have our tangerine, and they are ready. Let's just single them out. Really looks wonderful stand up by itself. Clean them up a little bit and just add them to a bowl, because you're about to start plating up our wonderful salad. So as you can see, we have all our ingredients that we'll be using so far. As you can see, so far, real simple and nice, but gourmet. So as you can see, we have all our ingredients. I just checked I have those left over. I just dice them up. Because it was already too ripe, so I just dice it up. If I could incorporate it in the dish also. Because it is a gourmet dish, so I'm not trying to make it more gourmet as possible. So as you can see, I have my tongue ready to start plating up our gourmet salad. You could use a tongue because you're using prepared food, so you're trying not to use your hand as much. You add all the lettuce, and if you have friends and family coming over, this is a great dish to do. You could plate around. Every last bit. So first off, we're placing our cherry tomatoes. As you can see, it's looking wonderful already without even using anything. Because salads are looking wonderful. Try to keep it tight as possible. And first off, we'll be placing our cherry tomatoes. Just place it around nicely anywhere. Don't try to keep the edges. Don't try to keep it, nice and simple. Just keep it around the edges. Just around the edges. Really bring out some nice plating. So right here, our next ingredient we'll be placing is our tangerine. Nice and simple, I say. Keep the same edges. Try to keep a pattern. Nice and simple. The appearance that counts too. Wow. One more right here. And that's good enough. And as you can see, the place is looking wonderful already. I'm not even finished. And right here, we'll be placing our strawberries. You don't have to place it too down, but keep it nicely on top. I'll try to keep it nice and simple. Have one more here. Nice and simple. And wow, the plate looking wonderful already. And right here, as you can see, our fourth ingredient we have is the shredded carrots. You know this around here. Not too much, a few. Not much. Try to keep it nice and simple. Nice and simple. Wow, looking wonderful already. We're not even fully finished. And you know, as the last topping in the middle, we have, so right here we have a few mangoes. You know, there was dice, but you know it's too ripe. Just place it in the middle. Just to finish it off. Not finish it off, but you know, at that finishing, almost finishing touch. You could add a few right here. So, just to bring some more color to the plate also. Right here. And then right here, I made this garnish. I tested it out myself, and I made it. And I'll just be taking off. Let me see this middle one right here. And I will be adding the garnish right in the middle to sit. And you know, and this, let me see, this mango could go right here, right here. Wow, it's looking wonderful already. I'm not even fully finished. And to add the final touch, so you can see how it's looking so far. I'm almost finished. I'm not fully finished yet. And the final touch I will be adding, I know most people don't like it, but you know, it's blue cheese. I will be adding a few blue cheese around, as you can see. Fresh blue cheese. Crumble. Let's add one right here. This in the middle. And then just add a few all around, just to finish it off. Not much, but just to finish it off. And wow, that looks really gourmet. You know, if you have friends coming over, you just want a nice healthy vegan salad, this is what you're looking for. It has, you know, cherry tomatoes, strawberries, mangoes, you know, tangerines. So right here we have a nice vegetable dish, you know, a vegetable salad. As you can see, it's looking wonderful. It looks like it has a lot going on, but you know, you could see the plating up. So as I said, you can see all the ingredients are incorporated. I have the carrot shredded, everything looking wonderful in its own area. You know, real nice and simple. If you have family or friends, you know, trying to cater, this is a great, nice gourmet salad to serve. Okay, thank you. Hope you enjoy.